Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your LG G8X ThinQ, for the first you have to find your calendar. Mine will be probably in the Google folder, and yes, here it is, the Google Calendar. Click right here, then we got it. Tap on this switcher, select event, and here we have to add the title. And we can set up other things. For example, we can change the time and date. We can set up the time zone. We can also add location, add people, change the color of our event. And also we can add some attachment or the description, whatever you want. And if you finish, just click on the right upper corner on the save button. And as you can see, here we got our event. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!